Delaney was cleaning up her sister's toys. She used 4 bins for her sister's toys, and each bin held 23 toys. Which of the following shows the correct area model and partial products to determine how many toys the bins held? So first I need to look for the main idea, which is found in the last sentence. Which of the following shows the correct area model, and these are area models for multiplication, and partial products, that means you're going to have to find 2 products and add them together to determine how many toys the bins held. So, we are trying to find our main idea, which is area model, partial products, determine how many toys the bins held, which we can shorten that into how many toys the bins held. And I remember that it's area model based on what the answer choices look like. Our details are going to be that she used 4 bins. Okay, so some students' instinct would be to draw 4 bins. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each bin held 23 toys. Sometimes the word each can mean the number 1, so you could say that 1 bin held 23 toys. So bin 1 can hold 23, bin 2 can hold 23, bin 3 can hold 23, and bin 4 can hold 23. So now they can write the multiplication fact based on that. So here I have 4 bins of 23, which is going to equal a product. Okay, we've been learning the area model, so what we would do is we would write the number sentence 4 times 23. Now, in order to do your area model, you notice that the 23 has been decomposed. Okay, you have to break it down. So the student should know that a 2 in the tens is worth 20, and a 3 in the ones is worth 3. And if they add that back together, 20 plus 3 will go back to 23. So your area model is a rectangle. Okay, you would put the 4 to the left, and then you would put 20 plus 3 on top and draw a line straight down from where the plus sign is. Now, in this first area right here, we are going to do 4 times 20. Okay, now students can repeatedly add the number 24 times, or they could do a times 20 chart, whichever is best for them. And they would need to go 4 times. So 0 would be 0. If they counted it once, it would be 20. Twice would be 40. 3 times would be 60. And they should notice that in the tens place, it's increasing by 2, or by 20. And then 4 times would be 80. So if you go back, 4 times 20 is 80. So that's partial product. That's part of the product. Now we need to find the other part of the product in order to add them together. So now I have the 4 again, times 3, equals. And if they need to do a times 3 chart, they can. 4 times. 0 would be 0. If they added it once, it would be 3. 2 times would be 6. 3 times would be 9. And 4 times would be 12. So they look back and they say 4 times 3 is 12. So your 2 partial products are 80 and 12. Now you want to add partial plus partial to get the whole product. So that would be 80 plus 12, 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. So your entire product, if you go back, is 92. So now we need to look at our answer choices. Yes, I used a 4. And yes, I multiplied that by 20. But if you notice, 24, that would be adding, so we did not use a 24. The 4 is still correct, the 3 is correct, but then again, they added it, so no. Notice how I'm checking and Xing the numbers that I am using or am not using. Here, 4 times 20 is 80, so I can check all of those. 4 times 3 is 12, so yes, I can check those. And then what is inside, your two partial products, need to be added outside, and yes, that matches my work here. And sometimes I tell the kids to draw an arrow to prove that's their answer, exactly. Here they did 4 and 20 is 60, but that is incorrect. And that 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah, that was correct, but one of the numbers was incorrect, so that makes the answer not part of my problem. Here, again, they added 23 and 2. I did not even use a 23, nor did I need to break up the 4 into a 2 and 2. So these numbers do not match. So the answer that correctly matches all of the work shown is B. And this is 2 by 1, 2 digits by 1 digit multiplication using the area model.